Hi friends, this video clip will give small information on yarn count, that is the fineness of the yarn comes in yarn engineering. Okay, in textile industry, garment industry, textile institutes, or wherever in the textile world, garment world, this word count is expressive. What it expresses? People talk about the fineness of the yarn, coarseness of the yarn. The fineness means the whole length, whole 200, 300 meters of the length getting woven into the fabric. What kinds of yarn used in the fabric, whether that is a warp or weft, that is measurable. The fineness is measurable. For fine cloth, for fine lightweight garments, or heavyweight garments, or any household textiles, whatever the threads are used, those are all measured. The fineness of the yarns are measured. In the measuring of the fineness of the yarn are of two types. Internationally, there are two systems are there. One is direct system. The second one is indirect system. Indirect system. What is direct system? Direct system. These are the two internationally recognized systems to measure the fineness of the yarn. Here, indirect system is based on the mass per unit length, and indirect system length per unit mass. Okay. What is this? Mass per unit length and length per unit mass. The whole indirect system, the whole yarn, say 1 kg of yarn, 2 kg of yarn, 3 kg of yarn, whatever the sample, okay, whatever the sample tested in the form of specimen in the lab, the specimen in the lab, that may be whatever the length, here, whatever the length or whatever the mass, we don't know. If you check direct system, unit length, this unit length means there is a specific length. Unit length means there is a specific length taken for measurement of the fineness in direct system. Here, unit mass is a specific weight. It is a specific weight, standard weight considered to measure the fineness of the count, fineness of the yarn in an indirect system. Okay. Now, this indirect system, there are denier is there and tax is there. Okay. Denier is used for filament yarn, synthetic yarn, that is continuous filament yarn, synthetic yarn, polyester, nylon, okay, silk, these are all measured in denier. There is a continuous filament. But cotton and other materials which are spun, the staple fibers are spun into yarn. Cut small staples are spun into yarn. Even polyester can be made staple and spun into yarn. That spun yarn are measured in this system, indirect system. Okay. Now we'll see what is denier. Denier is how much? Here in denier, the unit length standards considered unit length is 9,000 meters. Okay, tax. Here the specific standard internationally recognized is 1,000 meters. Okay, this is linear, this is a tax, belongs to the system. Now indirect system, English count. English count. Here unit mass is there. What is the unit mass? The specific standard for unit mass, that is 1 pound. Okay, LB, 1 pound. These are the specific standards. Okay. See, to check the fineness of the yarn, that may be in case of denier, for denier and text, take 9,000 meters of standard length or polyester or nylon, whatever, and weigh on the standard measuring balance. How much it shows? That is the denier of that yarn. Take 1,000 meters of length and weigh on the measuring balance. How much it will come? Result. That is the tax of that yarn. And English count. How much? What is the unit mass? 1 pound is there. In this case, the whatever the length you take, that may be whatever the length, you have to test. This is a standard, is there? Whatever length, we don't know. Whatever the length we take and weigh. But after weighing, weigh means how much? The weight should be 1 pound. To reach 1 pound, how much yarn is required? How much yarn is required? Okay. Whatever the length, whatever the yarn. But the final weight should be 1 pound. 1 pound of yarn you take. That is the index. Now I hope I am explaining in detail. Here this is system.